Welcome to this exciting guide on how to change your voice during Instagram calls in 2025. Whether you're looking to add a fun twist to your chats or just want to express yourself differently, we've got you covered. In 2025, Instagram is rolling out incredible features for calls, including built-in voice modulation tools that will make changing your voice easier than ever. Changing your voice can not only add fun and creativity, but can also help you express different sides of your personality. Let's explore why this is important. Here's our step-by-step guide on how to use voice-changing apps with Instagram. First, download your favorite app from the App Store. Then, link it with your Instagram account. Now, let's go to your Instagram settings. Look for the voice filters section and select your preferred modulation settings for your calls. Next, we'll demonstrate how the voice change functionality works during a test call. Let's see how seamlessly you can switch voices. Choosing the right voice can greatly enhance your experience. Here are some tips on selecting the voice that fits your mood or situation perfectly. Besides Instagram's built-in features, there are also third-party apps that offer advanced voice modification tools. Let's explore some of the best options available. While having fun with voice changes, remember to consider your privacy. Here are some precautions to keep your conversations safe. To wrap things up, changing your voice during Instagram calls is a fun way to enhance your experience. Now you have the tools and knowledge to start experimenting. Enjoy your calling.